I'm Kat Livingston from Ascend Nutrition and Wellness, and today we are making egg bites or egg muffins, whatever you want to call them. I'm just putting mushroom and onion sauteed ahead of time and cheese in it this time. I've done these lots of different ways, and I'm a big fan of frittatas too, so we use leftover veggies, but I don't have any right now, and I need to get some egg bites cooked for breakfast tomorrow for my kid. So what I do, the kid had to grate the cheese. He's decided he is the CEO of grated cheese, like sweet. And then I'm just been using my avocado oil, and I love this stuff, honestly, because it really sprays where you want it to go. So I'm gonna this is a brand new one, I just opened it. Come on, guy. Not much. Doesn't need that much, otherwise I've noticed they get really oily. So this is just gonna be so fast, and this is one of the reasons I love these. I just thought I would just do a really quick video. I have a lot of patients who are always, I don't know how to make this, I don't know how to do this. So here we go, here's where we go. So I just put a dozen eggs in here. I did a splash of milk, maybe half a cup or so. And there should be about a cup of shredded cheese. I love Tillamook sharp cheddar, so that's what we got in there. And I've got my little egg beater here, my egg whisker. I don't know why, but I don't usually add salt and pepper right at the beginning. I kind of get them broken up a little bit. I don't know why. And there's gonna be, I use salted butter, and there's salt in the cheese. So I don't need to use very much salt, even though there's milk and all that. I am generous with my pepper though. Whisk that up. Heat the oven is at 375. Looks good. You know what I forgot was one spatula. Ow. Problem solved. All right, I'm just gonna add, I have about a cup and a half here of mushrooms and onions, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to put that much in, but yeah, why not? One thing that I have noticed when I make these is it's a lot fluffier the first few that you pour. So I'm kind of weird. I pour some of them and I throw some of them over there, and then I do it the other way so that one side's not more flat, I guess, than the other side. There we go. Oh, there's a lot of cheese over there. I'm just going to kind of stir that in. All right, there you go. I just pour it right in there. Batter bowls are great for this. Don't fill it all the way to the edge. Whoop. It will go over that. It'll fluff up. See, now I'm gonna kind of go over here. You can see it better. And I do this because also getting some of those ingredients out of that, because otherwise you end up with a whole bunch at the end, I have found. So that is my West African peanut soup with chicken. That is finishing up. All right. When I did the mushroom, I'm a big fan of mushrooms, so when I did the mushroom and onion before, we were like, oh God, that's so good. And what I do is, when they're done, they kind of have a little bit of a crust on them, and I like them like that. And I slice them open, and then I put some avocado in that. And it makes it like a little sandwich. My kid takes that as he goes off to school. And they're filling, they're satisfying, especially when you add that avocado. We actually might have a little bit too much mixture. I haven't had that problem before. I honestly don't mind when they go over a little bit. They're yummy. And when they come out, they'll look like all nice and fluffy. I have just a tiny bit. Squeak it in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and overfill it a tiny bit. Certainly not gonna go to waste. All that will happen is it'll have a little muffin top on top, and that's okay. These are so good. If I had a, what do you call it? I'm tired. I've been having a hard time remembering things that I want to talk about. What do you call it? Oh yeah, a sous vide. If I had a sous vide, that's how Starbucks serves them. That's fantastic too. Sous vide is going to cook it long and slow at a low temperature. You get more nutrients and it stays in. So that is it. I'm going to stick this in the oven for only 20 minutes and it's done. So that is it. Thank you so much. I hope that yours comes out beautifully. Love and light to you. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.